So let's modify our code so that we have a second component we can actually navigate to. And we'll just put a dummy component in for right now. So over in my components folder, I'll create a new file. And this will ultimately be the login screen, login.view. And all I'm going to put in here for right now is a template tag. And inside I'll just put one paragraph with the word login. And later on, we'll make this an actual login component. But I have that now, so let's go back over to our router index.js file and import that. So I'll duplicate this and call it login and import it from login.view. And I'll create a second root. So same syntax as the first one, but the path this time will be /login. The name will be login. And the component will be, not surprisingly, login. So that's now there, but we actually need to modify our header file. So let's find our header component, and let's make some changes to this. So the first thing I'll do is I'll get rid of the disabled and pricing LIs. So these last two LI entries, I'm going to delete those entirely. And I'm going to modify the first LI, the link to the home page. Instead of using an A tag, which you're probably really familiar with, we're going to use a router-link tag. I'll leave the class there, and I'll leave the area there, and I'll change the href to be instead a to attribute. And it's going to link to /. And the / here, let me finish this router tag first, router-link. This / right here links with, over in index.js, this / right here, okay? So, as you might expect, to change the second one, I'll change it from features to login. I'm going to use exactly the same syntax. So we'll have this as router-link with a to going to /login, and then close the router link tag. So it's finished compiling, so I should be able to go back to my web browser, and now I have a home and a login, and if I click on login, it actually takes me to the login component. Now I added nothing except a p tag here, so it's really ugly, but I can switch back and forth. And the nice thing is, I can also use the back button, and that's what that web history actually does, that we imported from the view router part. So as you can see, now we have a means of creating as many components as we want and having as many navigation items here as we want and getting directly to those. And we can put those router-link tags pretty much anywhere we want in our application. All right, let's move on.